Welcome back to my channel. Haven't done one of these videos for a long time. Life's been busy, but haven't forgotten about you guys. So today I'm going to be working on a Toro guaranteed to start mow and stow 7.25 190cc. This one's got a Briggs & Stratton motor, one of the best motors out there for a lawnmower. And what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be changing this self-propel wheel. So you see I've done this one already. So I just thought I haven't done one of these videos for you guys for a while, so I want to show you guys how to do it. So I ordered 2 of these tires or wheels from Amazon. They weren't too expensive. They were about $30 Canadian, and it fit perfectly on that side. So I'm going to show you how to unscrew this wheel and pop it on. So what we need today is a bolt that is 13 mil. 13 mil is going to fit perfectly on this guy, and you're going to prop that up and you're going to pop that out and put the wheel on. So it's very easy. So to work on this, you can use a box or a cardboard to prop up the lawnmower, so it's easier when you work on it. Alright, so we're gonna remove this bolt, the 13 mil. So I'm going to show you that this bolt, it connects to that one right there. You see that arm right there? Alright, so I'm going to show you how to change this. So this comes right off, and it's not good to add any oil or anything on plastic, because the plastic actually will attract dust and it'll attract the grass and everything in there, and it'll cause this to wear down faster. You see all these teeth over here is very dry inside, but the wheel has worn out and it's not gripping onto grass or the floor. So that's why we're changing this to this new one today. So if you look inside, so check out the gears to make sure that they're all clean, there's no dust or anything in there. And I'm gonna clean off that area a little bit, and after I clean off that area, then the teeth will sit, the gear will sit right on these teeth, and I'm gonna put the bolt back in there, and then we should be okay. So we just want to clean this off a little bit, because the next time you're going to change the wheel, it's going to be quite some time. Okay, so I've cleaned it the best we can. And remember, you don't need to put any grease, any oil, or anything in here or the gear, because that will attract more of the dust and grass and debris. So this is the bolt for it, and we're gonna put the bolt in here first, and then we're gonna lift this up a little bit to align it to the bolt. You see, when you align it to the bolt right here, align it to the bolt, and we're gonna make sure that the teeth sits on the gear sits on the teeth, and then I'm gonna maneuver that bolt to go through here, and you see right here, that's gonna go into this arm right here. Okay, you see right there, it's gonna go into this arm. We're gonna tighten it. There we go. It's going in, and I can feel that the gear is engaged in the teeth. You see? The gear is engaged in the teeth. It's supposed to make a nice seal. I'm gonna tighten it a little bit more. There we go. And that's it. There you have it. We just replaced the self-propel wheel for a Toro lawnmower. So then you could prop this up, remove the box, and there you have it. 2 brand new self-propel